Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome snack. It's delicious, easy to make, and very fun for the kids. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we need to cut some quail eggs. I'm using 15 and taking out all the yolks. Now let's cut 50 grams of salted red fish or salmon, and let's cut it into small squares. Now let's mix it with the yolks with some pepper and 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's mix it all together. Let's fill up the whites. And place the two parts together. Let's add some lettuce and let's cut them into small stripes and fold it, and with a stick let's put it on the bag and add the egg. When it's all ready, let's plate it up and try out this delicious snack. It's very easy to make, delicious, very fast, and everyone will enjoy it. Thank you for watching and enjoy this recipe. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.